If you don't have a brokerage account, then which account do you have? Gone are the days where people wait for a broker to help them invest in shares, in stocks, in treasury bills, or in commercial papers, because that brokerage account can help you start your journey on investment at the comfort of your home, within view, without looking for anybody or without looking for a broker to help you. You can do it right at the comfort of your home using your smartphone. So in this tutorial, I want to teach us how to start your journey on investment, or investing in stocks, or even treasury bills or commercial paper, using a brokerage app, because the technology has made it easier for everyone to start investing, so that you can even monitor what you are doing with your smartphone. So I'm doing this tutorial because of demand for people that say they want to learn how to start investing on stocks. Because if you start investing on stocks using this method I want to teach you, you will be monitoring everything you are investing on, both your shares, if you want to start investing on shares, or even in treasury bills or commercial paper. So this tutorial will help you to do it by yourself. Everything you want to do, you will learn it and also do it by yourself. So in this video, I'll be using Afrinvestor 2.0 app as a brokerage app to help in this tutorial, so that people will learn it easily and start applying it. It is good to invest. So that money you leave in your bank and it's wasting, you can use that money and invest in their shares using this method I'm about to teach you now. So if you are interested in learning how to start investing on shares, on commercial paper, or on treasury bills, so watch this video to the end so that you will learn the tutorial, and don't hesitate to save it in your favorite, so that anytime you want to learn how to download the app or even start investing, you can call it up anytime. And don't forget to share it to your network, because a lot of people to learn how to start investing on shares without knowing how to maybe start. So this video will help them to start investing on shares or commercial paper or on treasury bills. Because do you know one thing? Shares has helped a lot of people. Many people are using it to hedge inflation. Many people are using it for retirement benefit. They will invest and leave it for 3 to 4 years before they will sell. So this is the time. If you have the money, you can buy smaller units as low as 49 naira, as low as 700 naira, as low as 50 or 60 naira per unit. So it depends on the stock you want to start investing, and it depends on the sector you want to invest on. So different sectors, both financials, oil and gas, manufacturing, communication, all of them, those sectors, you will see their companies in these apps that I want to show you how to register and apply for the shares, or either treasury bills or commercial paper. So watch this tutorial to the end, you will learn a lot. Let's head on to the tutorial so that you see how to register on Afrinvestor 2.0 brokerage app, so that you can start your journey on investment. So let's head on to the tutorial so that you will learn how to start your journey on investment. Let's go there. So I've explained earlier, when you go to Play Store or Apple Store, you download Afro Invest 2.0. So it will take you to this place. You click the second option, which is the app. You download it. It are downloaded, and you open it. When you open it, you do the registration and put all your information, the correct information, your correct email, and everything that you're supposed to include when you're registering, as you open the app. So after registering, then it will take you to this stage where you will see invest at the downside of the app. You will see invest and other options, home and everything. So you click on that invest. When you click on invest, it brings you to this place where you will see stocks and treasury bill, and also you see commercial paper. So for this one, we want to click the option of treasury bill. And treasury bill, you see, when you click on treasury bill, it will see the options for investment. You will see 9 months, 8 months, 7 months, 6 months, 3 months, depending on your own options. Anyone, depending on the one you want. And for that treasury bill, you will only see this information from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. After this time, when you go to the app, it will be blank. So anytime you want to get information on treasury bill to apply, you go there from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So when you get to this place, click on treasury bill. These are some of the information you need to put there. These are some of the informations that are there. So anyone you want to click, you can now click. Anyone you want to invest on. If you want to invest for 3 months, for 9 months, for 6 months, the number of days are all there. The options are there. So you click on one. It will now take you to the account you will pay in the money, because you have to credit your wallet. You credit your wallet of the amount you want to invest on, depending, but the list is 100,000 and above. When you click, it take you to this, that money will be in your wallet. So when you click the option from a 360, anyone you want to click, you now click, and to take you to direct you and debit your account. Once you debit your account, then you have started, and all the information will be sent to the email you register when you're registering on the app. So it's very, very simple when you are doing something there. So it's better the one you want. And if you want to invest in bonds or stocks, see, look at these are the companies that are available on the app. These are all the companies that are available on the app. You see banks, you see Dangote, you see majority of the banks, Fidelity, FCMB, Zenith, a whole lot of banks, and you see a whole lot of industries, companies. You see foreign companies and other companies, depending on the one you want. So when you go through that stocks options, you see a whole lot of companies. So the one you want to invest on, you can now click, and their prices are there. The prices that are selling their stocks are there. They're all there. You see everything. And also in treasury bill, you also see the percentage and everything you will get when you want to invest in treasury bills. So these are the various options when you want to invest in Afrinvest 2.0. So this is a very good place to invest. As I have been saying, you can invest in treasury bills, or you can also invest in commercial paper or in stocks. So this is a very good place to invest your money. If you have an idle fund, you can go ahead and download the app. You monitor everything by yourself, like everything you are doing, you'll be seeing it. And once you apply everything, the statement, your money they debited will be forwarded to your mail. So anywhere you have queries, or even when you want to ask questions, there is an email that you can ask your questions. So this is a very good place to invest your money if you have an idle fund that you're not using for anything. Thank you. So go ahead and do the download. Thank you. My name is Ngozi, your financial advisor, product manager, and chartered risk manager. If this is what you like to hear, kindly share it to your network to gain value.